Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, 8 liters of wine is drawn out from a cask and is replaced with water. This operation is repeated 3 more times. That means this operation is done 4 times in all. After this, the ratio of wine and water left in the can is 16 is to 65. That means out of total 16 plus 65, out of total 81 liters, 16 is wine, 65 is water. So friends, we know one formula, that is wine left after n operations. Wine left after n operations is given by x into 1 minus y by x whole power n, where x is the initial quantity of wine and y is how many liters of wine is drawn and replaced by water, and here n is how many times this operation is done. So friends, x is initial quantity and 1 minus 8 liters is drawn and replaced by water. This operation is done 4 times. After this, wine left is 16 by 81 of initial quantity. 16 by 81 of initial quantity. That is x. So friends, now x gets cancelled. 1 minus 8 by x, 1 minus 8 by x whole power 4 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 4. So power gets cancelled. So 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 minus 2 by 3, 1 by 3 is equal to 8 by x. It implies x is equal to 3 into 8, 24 liters friends. 24 liters friends. Thank you.